Hi friends, today we are going to talk about how to save your 2G, 3G, 4G, any type of internet data that you are using your mobile network. So for that you can go ahead and first of all when you switch on the mobile data, that is the mobile data, as you can see the first icon, then go ahead and always remove the sync button, that is disable the sync option that you have in your mobile. This might be different for different mobiles, but generally you have it in your drop down notification bar that you might have a sync button where you can disable or enable it. So disabling it will help you a lot, because what happens is when the sync is on, Gmail and your Google account, lot of other accounts try to continuously make backup of whatever data they have found or whatever data they are trying to find on your mobile which has changed, and they will keep on syncing, so that wastes a lot of data. Now the other thing that you can do is you can go to your settings, and then when you go to your settings, this might be different for different mobiles, but for Redmi Note 3 that is using MIUI 8, this is the mode that is there. You can find out for your mobile. Just go to your mobile network settings, and then once you select the option set data plan. So once you select that option, you might have a different option, but it will be quite similar to the one I have just clicked. And then you go to mobile data limit. Now here you can set the peak data limit, that is how many MB I would like it to work in a month or anything like that. You might have different setting here, but more or less you can control how many MB you want to spend in a month, or if a certain limit is reached, then automatically the internet will stop and you will not incur any charges which are from your main balance. So no data charges will be deducted from the main balance, because the internet will stop once you have reached the limit that you have specified. Another thing that you can do is once you set these two options, you can go to your auto start manager. Now it might be different for different mobiles. In Redmi Note 3 I'll go to security, and then I'll go to something called data usage. Now once I go to data usage, I'll then go to restrict data usage. Now here I can disable for any application that I installed. I can disable the mobile connection. So if you can look, I am disabling it. If I disable it, then none of these apps can use the mobile data, or I can specify which apps I want. Suppose I want to use Flipkart, or I want to use your news and weather, OLX, any other app that I want to use specifically when the mobile data is on, I can specify that. This option may or may not be there in your mobile, so I'm not sure whether it is there. It is there in Asus mobiles. I've seen Auto Start Manager is the name of the application. So different mobiles have different names, but more or less most of the newer mobiles do have this option, and it's a very good option wherein you can disable it. On Wi-Fi you can keep this enabled, because then data usage is not quite a concern on the Wi-Fi network. So if you use these three options, I think you can save a lot of data on your 2G, 3G and 4G. So happy surfing, and happy saving as well.